Want to be your own boss? Home business tips and tricks. A home business can be exciting and thrilling. You don't have a boss, you get all the profit, and you make all the decisions. While that can be exciting, it can also be worrisome if you don't have the right information. Luckily, here are a few tips to keep you on track. Be sure to keep your website up to date on which products are available and which, if any, are out of stock. Customers will respect your honesty, and will be more apt to do future business with you. Let your customers know that a product is backordered, and provide alternative choices to your customer as well. Write a business plan. Figure out whether your home business idea is workable. Even if you don't plan to apply for a loan from the SBA, Small Business Administration, or a bank, you still need a business plan. Determine whether there is actually a market for your product before putting a lot of money into it. Don't be afraid to ask for help with your home business. Asking for help shows that you are strong enough to realize that you cannot solve every problem. Asking about what you don't know is a great way to learn what you need to learn. By asking people intelligent questions, you will get the help you need. If you have a home business, advertise by posting flyers on your local community bulletin board, passing out flyers in your neighborhood, or taking out a classified ad in an online advertiser for your region. These methods are free or low cost, and they are good in getting the word out about your business. Taking on a home business can be a dream come true, if you know what you're doing and address what you need to address. Let these tips be a foundation for your business, helping you to grow and keep the right things in mind. A home business can be challenging yet rewarding. Try to have more rewarding moments than challenging moments by learning as much as you can. Student loan.